baby, we got green across the screen today. So let's break down exactly what is going on in the stock market, what to look for next, and what is behind this rally. That's what we do on this channel every day. So make sure to like, comment, follow. I super appreciate it. Let's break it down. It's a CPI report. The CPI report is exactly what traders and investors were looking for, possibly even better. It was estimated that it would be 3.1%. It came in at 2.7%, and then core CPI came in at 2.6%. So what does this tell you? Inflation coming down, not as much of an issue. Job market struggling. What does this say to traders and investors across the market? It says this is a perfect environment for the Fed to continue easing and cutting rates and going forward with QE. Inflation's not as sticky. Job market's iffy. Cuts. But we are not out of the woods yet. Tomorrow is Japan's rate decision. And right now, the market is estimating that they're going to actually hike rates up 3/4 of a point, one of the most aggressive hikes they've ever done. If they do anything above 0.75, negative spin on markets in general. If they go below, instead do 0.5 instead of 0.75, this will be better. But we'll have to see how the market digests it all tomorrow. The market's supposed to digest it ahead of time, but it's all estimates. If you're wondering why Japan is so important to US markets, make sure to research the yen carry trade and how many treasury bills that foreign country owns. Big winners of the day were our usual culprits, AI and tech having a bit of a swing back after a bloodbath yesterday. Crypto is continuing to face downward pressure. Bitcoin is now around 85,000. It did not rip up with the rest of the market today, and I think this is really due to liquidity issues and over leverage in that market. Crypto traders and investors, for whatever reason, are very prone to using a ton of leverage. And when those positions get liquidated, it forces selling. I think we're seeing a lot of leverage traders and investors get liquidated. It's a bit of a cascading effect. So it continues to have pressure. We haven't seen a lot of positive crypto legislation or even talk coming out of the administration lately. On top of that, MicroStrategy is currently being absolutely attacked right now by big banks, and their stock has suffered the consequences of that. And they are one of the largest continuous buyers of Bitcoin. And when they're doing these big purchases and it's not stabilizing the Bitcoin price, traditional investors get spooked. I do not think it will last forever. None of this is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Just want to make that very clear. Please like, comment, follow, because I'll be watching this every damn day for my own trading and because I truly enjoy doing this. Keep it green.